Abusia, sisi amena okase die aye official. Enra na the Ghana Police Service edibetu dwa se Israel Kwadwo Safo Akofena na afei nkofo mienu bi a omo ka ne ho no. Yako arrest omo ni nyina ne se Sunday no issue a esiye shooting ekoso ama Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo abusunya be bi oda no sisi amena okase die emsenya me nko a na edim incident a esiye ne nti abusunya yako akwa arrest no. Na kwasiada no na ye crown no as the leader of Israel Safo mission. And an sister ne say obeko hobby akofia ne ekoso ewo ho na pinten eba ya ebusuya etototo ekoso ema enam so ama Sarah Ajosafo eto ni bi enso eka na abusuya the way a etie no yakọ arrest omo wono aban sa aka no sanso na nipa mienu so abusuya aban enso ensa etumi aka omo anya ono nko a enra the interior ministry enso edbetu dwa se Kantanka Securities Limited Kantanka Securities Limited no abusuya ya suspending omadwuma ya gi omo license no e de efi omo nsem ne nyina ne say those people who shot at the car of Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo no they are workers of Kantanka Securities Limited. In some ne de yebedumu esukopa na afa ya kire ma kire na wate ase ehu de way ankomo no esitie mesrew dane de nyina ohwe channel no un subscribe ye un like ye un share dia and then down subscribe like na share your videos na manfo so enya bi enhwa ha ye Primax TV online yenko issue ni mo na ye din komo abusua kwasi ada atwami ena beto dwa se ewiam ho ba bi no etototo akoso ewo Kwabenya the resident of Israel Akofena Kwadwo Safo na ne sister Penny aye friend no Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo no abusua etuo enso tumi aka no ne car ne de ye see bullet no baako 32 ena etuo no etoto ye e de ball car ne mu na de baako ne se na dwumadie bi ekoso ewo fie ho na asori no ene some part of the family enso asia a wo mo crown ne Kwadwo Safo Akofena as the leader of Israel Safo mission. Na ne sister no so I don't know say wonya invite to say wenya invite to until later she got to know that a ceremony was being held at Kwabenya, the residence of his junior brother, and Oena say ono so be kwa he de koso ho okoye no they denied her entry into the building and until Oena say the car never force akom eno na ebusuya anko yi security for no atututuo e de ball car ne mu a omowrahye no e de ko ye boa hospital wati ase na the way ankomo no esi ekoso e wo ne health ho no eni enyan utumi wo se etuo na omototo ye e de ball car ne mu eni bullet a ekọ glass ne mu ni ade no ama yen sister no bebi oda no amsuya eho eye hu pa inti nura no nkomo bebre na akoso after the incident that happened on Sunday na we na nura nyumre the Ghana Police Service edibetu dwa se Israel Kwadwo Safo Akofena the junior brother of Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo no and two others yakoso omo e de omo akwakogum ombeboa na afi investigations and so etumi akoso nearby yentia shooting no ekoso the statement at the Ghana Police Service forum e de baye no say in a statement no esi etie or say the Ghana Police Service has arrested Israel Kwadwo Safo also known as Akofena in connection with a shooting incident involving former member of parliament for Dome-Kwabenya Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo on 21st June 2026. The suspect reported himself to the regional police headquarters on 22nd June and was subsequently handed over to the Criminal Investigation Department headquarters to assist ongoing investigations into the incident. Into reporting the way it say enre enyumre ena Safo Akofena onankasa ede ne ho ekoma the Ghana Police Service. Into wokodu ye no ena wo mo chi na wo mo nso wo de ne ma CID for send the investigations no and so ebetumi akoso. A search conducted on his vehicle at his residence at Kwabenya led to the retrieval of 120 rounds of 9mm ammunition. Na che say etuo ammunition no abusuya omonsa etumi kan e wo de fie 50 rounds of 45 caliber ammunition, 25 rounds of 40 caliber ammunition, additional loaded magazine and 2 Glock pistols, one of which is registered in his name. Further investigations also led to the arrest of 2 additional suspects, Nana Kwekwe Friye and Kwadwo Safo Kumsin, in connection with the case. All the suspects are currently in police custody assisting investigations and will be put before the court on 23rd June 2026. Anunti ene nyameya doma the Ghana Police Service say Israel Kwadwo Safo Akofena ena afei two others baako di Nana Kwaku Afriye ena baako so edi Kwadwo Safo kumse no ye de omo beko court na afei court a start case no ama start say omo di ni nyina no shooting incident abusua so on Sunday Adwoa Safo enso eho etumi ekokaye nti concrete report official report from the Ghana Police Service waya ade wono ankasa ena ede ne ho ekoma police for no ena police for no so ede no ekoma omo CID department say investigations so ebetumi akoso eno ne nkoma ekoso enso ewo ho na momade ba akonso a enra esiye ene say Kantanka Securities Limited Kantanka Securities Limited on say apa Safo Kantanka owo nyuma bebre owo Kantanka Automobile owo Kantanka Kosa Clinic owo Kantanka Class of Schools ena Safo suya ye say owo nyuma bebre na one of the nyuma no Kantanka Securities Limited na ne omo ye die yenhwe ade Kantanka for no womo enso ne tie ne say Kantanka Securities Service are the latest addition to the family of products by the Kantanka Group. They are reliable security service provider for corporate bodies and institutions, investors, professionals, and legal private interests. The firm is a guaranteed guard against crime, strengthening of community security protocols, quick response, and recovery from security breaches. They are also your one-stop for most qualified security tips and consultancy. Anunti omo dwuma ne say omo tumi like security adwuma omo tumi ye bouncer omo tumi private security what you say nti dwumadi a na ekoso Kwabenya no na Kantanka Securities for na womo boss abia ne ho ban eno nti totutu a ekoso enso sa venue no na Kantanka Security for na womo ho eno nti the Interior Ministry enso etumi aba say the way a report na esitie ene nkomo na ekoso no Oma suspended Kantanka Securities Limited. Ntina de obetumi aye adwuma biom until the Interior Ministry grant them the will to be working again. And only Ebusia News also by or say the decision was taken after investigations indicate possible violations of the police service. That's the Private Security Organization regulation which govern the operation of the private security. The usage of unprescribed uniforms. Ohwe mrante na enra me betu dwa say ya arrest omo na omo she unprescribed uniform. Uniform no omo she na say police for uniform. There be enche bia na the Interior Ministry betu dwa say we private security a wo uniform bia e wo say obehye. What you say? Inti omo say one for unprescribed uniform, unauthorized possession and use of firearms and ammunitions as well as security organization regulation which govern by private personnel. What you are saying, private personnel for N22, but Kantanka Security for no N220. You suspend the ambulances and you are to me until investigations ever cost we now for the Interior Ministry no a fit some part the way you they should give them back their license for them to be also working. And on him come up and also eba yedi emunchire mu nyina no yedi eba entire official Kantanka Safo Akofena and two others the Ghana Police Service have arrested them and handed over them to the CID department. And then they will be going to the court to start investigations into the shooting incident. Mesero, subscribe and like and share your video ni bi the more notification icon that I am so send a more times if the story be about Obenya BT. Hi Primax TV online. I'll come back again with more stories.